Hey guys, what's going on? It's Liam here once again on the new YouTube channel, Liam Stops Tinnitus, and we're going to get into tinnitus relief. Okay, how can you get relief from your tinnitus? Okay, I got a 30-day challenge for you guys. Okay, I got 3 things you should be doing and 3 things you shouldn't be doing. We're going to start with the 3 things that you shouldn't be doing. Okay, it's not easy to do, but it's simple to remember. Okay, it's how I'm structuring this video. So, tinnitus relief. Okay, first thing for 30 days, cut out all refined sugars, carbohydrates, bread, rice, pasta, high fructose corn syrup, and fructose, so that's fruit. So what exactly are those things, okay? Pasta, as I said, rice, red, as I obviously said, and fruit as well. The fructose in fruit is very, very high, and people think that, you know, they're telling their kids, have a piece of fruit, it's healthy. Yeah, it's healthy, it's healthier. That's the problem, people don't realize it's healthier than bread, rice, and pasta, but it's not great still, it's not very good for you, okay, if you have too much of it. And I tell my guys to cut it out, and the results are pretty damn good, okay? So, second thing, cut out medications, okay? This is aspirin, painkillers, anti-allergens. Obviously, there's a fine line here. If you're on heart medications, blood thinners, stuff like that, you shouldn't just stop taking that, you need to speak to your doctor. As much as I slander the name of doctors, they know what they're talking about when it comes to heart medications. Fortunately, it exacerbates your condition, but you can't just stop taking that stuff. So if you can stop taking basically painkillers and antihistamines and anti-allergens, stop taking those, okay? As well as putting stuff on your skin, sunscreen, or pharmacy medications that aren't prescription, okay? And making sure you're alive, stop those, 30 days. Third thing is stop wearing sunglasses. I'm trying to keep this video short right now, but to keep it really short and simple, when you wear sunglasses, you basically turn your skin off and turn your eyes off, and you don't get as much vitamin D as you need, okay? Sunglasses equal bullshit, okay? Stop wearing sunglasses. Now, what should you be doing, okay? 3 things you should be doing. So that was cut out sugars and fruit, cut out medications, and stop wearing sunglasses, okay? Third thing, get a proper night's sleep. No more Netflix. Before you go to bed, don't have any blue lights. That's LED lights in the ceiling. And any sort of screen or anything like that. Okay, so get a proper night's sleep, wake up properly, okay? Absolutely fantastic. Second thing to do, exercise at least 3 times a week. Hard exercise resistance training. Don't do every day, okay? 3 times a week resistance weight training. None of this, you go for sprints, that's fine, but it doesn't count towards it, okay? 3 times a week, no more, don't overexert yourself, okay? And the third and final thing to do is to fast. Okay, you can't be eating every day. If you're eating every day, you're never going to get rid of tinnitus. Ever. For those of you who don't know my story, I had tinnitus from noise trauma, and I was eating every day. It's probably healthier than you could ever imagine. You could ever imagine. Healthy, unbelievably healthy, no tap water, no nothing like that. Meditating, exercising, yada, yada, yada. Tinnitus is slowly going away. I was traveling around the world trying to figure it out. As soon as I started fasting, it took about 6 weeks, okay? Now, I had done that work and put the effort in before it, so it kind of just was the, hey, they brought the camel's back for me, but you get what I'm saying. Now, I'm not going to go into the exact science of all these 6 things and why it works, because that would be a 20-minute video, but thankfully I've condensed it into a book that's completely free, which you can get that book right now by clicking below and going to my website, liamstopstinnitus.com, and getting that free book and learning more about your tinnitus and how you can put those 3 actionable steps to do and what not to do into action. So click below now and get that for free. This is Tinnitus Relief. This is Liam Stops Tinnitus, and thanks for watching.